Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crazy for Food. So today I am going to show you my new blender which I ordered it from Amazon. The price for this blender is 7,999 and I will give you a link in the description box. So this blender is very good for smoothies and chutneys, and it has 900 watt motor, so it's very fast and quick, and it has 2 years of warranty. I was looking for this blender for a couple of weeks and finally I found it at Amazon and I ordered it and today I got it. So let's open this product. So yeah, you can see here, first one is the leaflet, and this is showing how to use it quickly. Here you can see how you can use it, and at the back it is giving you some general safety instructions. Here you have this user guide, user manual, and this is a small booklet regarding nutrients in different fruits. It has information about different fruits and their nutritive values. In this user guide, you can find recipes for smoothies, in the starting it is showing you how to use it, safety instructions, especially regarding blades. So guys, let's open this product. It's a bit heavy. Oh, I think we need to tilt it a little bit. Finally, here you go. It has different parts which I will show you how we will use them. Wow, this is exactly what I was looking for. So this is the main motor. It's a bit heavy. It has metallic body. You can see it's shiny. I quite like this color. It's a little bit like copper color. It comes with different containers. You can see this is the bottom part with container. Yeah, this is lid. Here this is the another container. These are the blades. It has 6 blades and these are very sharp blades. So be careful while using this container. Here you can see is the another rim which you can use while using it. So you can see there is a maximum level. Up to this limit you can fill this container. It's really beautiful. If you want to carry it somewhere for a picnic or for office work, you can take it by using this lid. How convenient it is. You can make a smoothie in this one and you can take it in the same container. This is a bigger container, you can see. and it has another blades, and it has only 2 blades, but they are very sharp, so be careful. It is the bottom part of this blade. It can be cleaned with a brush. You can fix it on top of it like this, but while using this jar, don't touch it. Be very careful. It's mentioned here. Again, it has a maximum limit, so you can fill this container up to that limit only, because you need some space to make your smoothie. So I have shown you 2 jars. So this is the third one. I quite like this one. Why? Because it already has a handle attached with it. You don't need to use another rim with handle. You can use it like this, and finally use it as a mug with this rim. So make your smoothie in this one and use it. It has a lid. So if you want to make smoothie for 2 people or more than 2 people, then you can use a bigger one, this bigger jar. Again, you can use this rim with handle on the bigger container as well. If you want to use glasses, then you can pour your smoothie in glasses. So I have shown you 2 blades. So be very careful with these blades because they are very sharp. It is mentioned in your user guide. Use it like this and on top of your motor. Here, this is the another jar. This is the lid for this. And this is the third jar. You can use these blades. So 2 blades, 3 jars are provided with this motor, with this blender, and these blades can be used on any of the container. How convenient it is. You can see how convenient it is because you don't need to press any button or anything like that. Just fix any blade on any container and put it on the top of it. Just move it slightly and that's it. Your smoothie is ready. And it's because it's a very high power motor, so you don't need to run it for longer. 1 minute is more than sufficient for it. And if you want to make it a very smooth smoothie, then you can use it for 2 minutes, but just stop it after 1 minute, give it some time, and then start it again for another 1 minute. This is my favorite container actually because it has a fixed handle. This is rim with handle. This is rim without handle. This is lid for your container. If you want to carry your smoothie somewhere for a picnic or for your office, or if you are going on a trip, you can use it. And if you want to have a cold smoothie, you can use this lid and put your smoothie in your refrigerator for some time. So I quite like this product. How do you feel?